Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn your Figma designs into actual code using Next.js, Tailwind CSS, and Shadkin, all using tools as of 2025. If you're looking to speed up your workflow and bridge the gap between design and development, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll be able to take any Figma design, maybe something your team cooked up, or that you made for a client, and transform it directly into production-ready code. Let's dive in. Okay, so first off, I'm going to assume you already have your design ready in Figma. If not, go ahead and take a moment to set up your project. Once you have your design open, pick the specific frame or element you want to convert. This might be your homepage mockup, a login form, or even just a single button, whatever you're ready to code up. Now, here's a really key step that a lot of people overlook: selecting the exact part of the design you want to export and not just anything random. So, for example, if your design has both desktop and mobile layouts, make sure you're only selecting the one you want to build right now. With your design element selected, just right-click on it. You'll see a long list of options pop up, but what you're looking for is the Copy-Paste as menu. Give that a hover and you'll notice a submenu called Copy as Code. When you click this, Figma is going to offer you different types of code options, everything from raw CSS to frameworks like React, and sometimes even more depending on your plugins and integrations. Scroll to the bottom of that menu and you'll see the option to generate code specifically for Tailwind CSS with React. That's exactly what we want, since Tailwind is going to let us keep things super flexible and modern, and React will plug right into our Next.js app. Go ahead and click that option. Now, just a heads up, at this point, Figma will likely prompt you to upgrade to their Pro plan, or whatever their latest upgraded subscription is, to actually use this export to code feature. Don't worry if that message pops up. It's completely normal. This is just one of those premium features. If you aren't already on a paid plan, you'll need to subscribe at this point. Take a minute to walk through the upgrade process. It's pretty quick. And honestly, if you're working on client projects or building a serious side gig, it's likely worth the investment for how much time it saves. Once you've upgraded, you're now able to hit that Tailwind Plus React Export button. Figma is going to generate the component code for you, including all the necessary Tailwind classes, React component structure, and supporting CSS. All you need to do is copy this generated code and paste it right into your Next.js project file. For best results, I recommend reviewing the code for any tweaks you might want to make, since auto-generated code isn't always pixel perfect or semantically perfect, but it gets you 90% of the way there. And before I let you go, one last tip. If you're using component libraries like Shadkin with Next.js, you can often swap in Shadkin primitives or styles into the generated code so that your final UI matches your design system exactly. Treat this process as a solid starting point rather than a finished masterpiece. That's it. In just a few steps, you've gone from Figma design to functioning React and Tailwind code ready for Next.js and Shadkin. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions or want to see more Figma to Code content, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy coding.